Hello everyone, myself I am Srikar. I am doing my masters in MSc Product Management with internship. My student ID is 21445119. Here I would like to discuss about the key outcomes of Advanced Study Skills module in this extended type under the lecture of Adrena ma'am. The main and primary outcome of this module is I have improved my self-confidence and competence. And initially through this module, I have understood that active participation in this class is more important, and also reading is very different from studying. And moreover, there are different types of techniques in listening and to communicate clearly for abilities to understand. In addition to this, I have learned that time management is more important with good time management skills and with good mindset.